Hi everyone, this is Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to add emojis to your Telegram story. So if you want to add those animated emojis on your Telegram story, then let me show you how to do this. So before you begin, you want to first go to your App Store or Play Store. You want to search for Telegram and make sure that's been updated to the latest version. Once updated, go ahead and open the app. In the app, you're going to go ahead and tap on this chat icon here at the bottom, and then go ahead and tap on the plus sign to post a story. Now from here, you want to go ahead and take a picture or take a video, or you can upload a video. Next, you're going to go ahead and tap on the sticker icon, and then you're going to go ahead and swipe left, and you'll see all the emojis. So you want to go ahead and scroll through these emojis and find the emoji you want to add. So let's say, for example, this one here. We'll go ahead and add this emoji. You can go ahead and add more emojis to this. And once you're happy, you can go ahead and tap on next and post this to your Telegram story. So there you go, guys. That is how to add emojis to your Telegram stories.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.